Introduction to the Bluetooth based auto power supply control for 4 different sources using PIC microcontroller. In this product we are using AC bulb holder and 4 relay channel board, and also using a rectifier and 230 volts power supply power cable, and also using a power distribution board. So in this board we will connect the 4 sources, and also we are using PIC microcontroller and Bluetooth module and LCD display. So to this power distribution board we will connect main power supply and solar power supply. So we can see this is solar power supply, and this is the generator we have mentioned here G. So this is 1000 rpm which is connected to the G side, and also we will connect the inverter. So here we can see you have to take the 12 volts 1 battery pack from there, because we will not provide the 12 volts battery, any kind of battery to the courier, because in the airport they doesn't allow batteries. So now here we can see this is the inverter. So these are the outputs of this distribution board, which is given to this here. So red is for the positive, black is for the negative. I will connect here on negative side, and also we need to give a connection to the inverter. We know that inverter converts DC to AC, so that's why we need to give a DC power supply. For the DC power supply we are using this battery also. So for the inverter in we have mentioned here as a IN. So the black is for the negative and red is for the positive. So you can see there is a light indication that power inverter having a source, and also if the generator rotates, so we can see generator side distribution board light is glowing. So we can see here if it generator rotates, then it will be generate power that will be given to this distribution board. And also this is a solar panel. So solar panel also generate a DC power supply that will be taken by this distribution board. So now there will be a low sunlight, that's why it is not generating a power. If it is placed in a sunlight, then it will be generate a voltage that will be indicated using this LED. And also this is the main power supply, so which is taken from the rectifier that will be connected to the distribution board. And coming to the 230 volts power supply, so these are 230 volts power supply that will be given to this rectifier. At the same time parallelly we are connecting to this bulb, and this relays will be connected between the bulb and 230 volts power supply. So now I am doing the power supply. So the main supply is available, and inverter are available, DC generator and the solar also available here. So normally the main supply is in on position. If you want to control the load using the solar power, you need to go for the Bluetooth settings first. So we need to pair the HC05, password should be 1234, and save it. So now it is paired here. We need to go for the app serial Bluetooth terminal, which is also available in Play Store. We need to go for 3 lines and I have to choose devices, and here we can see HC05. Now we are connected. If I press S, then we can see this relay gets switched on, and also here we can see solar is selected. If I press in and I send it, so we can see relay get switched off and inverter selected. For G I am entering, it will be select the generator. If I press M and enter, so we can see main selected, relay get switched on, and also we can see main selected. So in this way